Alright, on this video I'm going to be adjusting the air pressure on a 2019 Chevy Silverado and doing a tire rotation. I'm going to be doing an X pattern rotation, which is right there. I'm going to be taking the driver's front to their passenger side rear and the passenger side front to their driver's side rear, and the two rear tires to the front. So I'm going to start this, and I'm going to be using a 22mm socket to take the lug nuts off. The reason why I'm filming this inside the truck right now instead of filming it outside is because one of my neighbors has a radio going, and I don't want to get pinged for copyright to claim over music being played in the background. So I'm just filming this part inside my truck. I'm going to film some outside the truck too, but it's probably going to be short clips so I don't get hit with a copyright claim, because I don't own any copyrights to the music, so I don't want to get hit with it. Alright, right here is where you find your tire pressure PSIs. Mine are supposed to be at 35. I'm going to put all of them to 35 after I take each one of them off the truck. And I have a jack stand under the truck and the jack under it. And right now, while you got it jacked up, it'd be a good time to go ahead and check, see how your brakes are doing. Alright, I'm using a portable air compressor to top off my tire pressure to get them all to where that they need to be at. I also get rid of my tire pressure warning light that I've had for a couple of days while I'm doing my tire rotation. Try to remove the passenger side rear tire, and it's going to the driver's side front. Alright, now that I did the lug nuts, I tighten them up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to create a star pattern. Alright, the wheels torque at 140 foot-pounds of torque on each lug, so it is vitally important that after you get done doing this, you check the torque on your lug. You follow the star pattern, which I showed you earlier. And for safety's sake, I would always, about 2 or 3 days into driving the truck after taking the wheels off of it, I would probably recheck the torque on the lug nuts, just for safety's sake, just in case, because anything can happen. And you don't want to lose the wheel going down the highway, because that could turn into a real fun ride.